Okay, so it's your turn. Let's see how you did with practice problem 1. You can still circle if you like to circle. You can separate if you like to separate, but we are distributing first. So I have 1/8 times x. Just push them together to get 1/8 x, and then 1/8 times 8 is going to be 1. Again, if you forgot how, this is what I'm doing. If you do it the long way, you get 8/8, or if you realize that those 8s divide out. And then I bring down my y plus 7. I still want this y by itself, so that 7 has to go. It's plus 7, so I'm going to do the opposite and subtract. Make sure I put it underneath the constant and not the variable. And these will cancel out, and I will get y, sorry, the puppy is in the way, y equals 1/8 x. I have a positive 1 and a negative 7. Since signs are different, I subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. I keep the sign of the larger, and that is negative. I have more negatives than positives. So y equals 1/8 x minus 6. Final answer. Practice problem 2. Same thing. I want this y to be by itself. I'm going to distribute my 5, not a fraction this time, so that's just 5x. 5 times 8 is 40, and it's positive. Bring down the y plus 3. Now the 3's got to go. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract 3. Again, make sure to put it under the constant, not the 5x. These cancel out. Y equals 5x. Different signs, subtract. I have more positives than negatives. Y equals 5x plus 37. You got 2 more practice problems, and it'll be time for your exit ticket.